This point of manufacturing disability study. You know, in many products, there is an inverted duty structure today. On a finished imported product, there is a zero duty, and if you import components, you have to pay customs duty or special additional duty. So we are working to find out what it takes to really address those disabilities and ensure that there is a level playing field for the Indian manufacturers vis-a-vis other global manufacturers. Because if we have a disparity, if there is a disability, then our manufacturers will never be competitive at a global level, and we will never able to manufacture or produce any large volume products out of India. So that study report with E&Y will be available by month of June. The study is already initiated with E&Y, and we will have report available for our members by month of June. We will continue to have our Vision Summit, and definitely we will try to make it bigger and better with a lot of international and local leaders in ESDM space. This year we are going to take one more initiative, that is about the International Alliance with USA. We are planning a very focused event in Silicon Valley sometime in September or October this year. And Mr. Jaswinder Ahuja from Cadence has agreed to be executive sponsor for this initiative, where he is going to help us in coordination in the Valley side. And we are going to work with DIT for the support to organize this event. Because I think collaboration with US in this point of time is very, very important. So we are going to drive this one more initiative. So just to summarize, what are the short-term focus and long-term focus areas, and where the investments are short but the impact is high, and investment are high as well as the impact is high. Definitely the modified chips and electronic manufacturing cluster is something where the policy notification has happened, and we should availing advantage of those schemes. And EDF R&D funding, when it will be getting approved, but otherwise other VC fundings will be available pretty soon. So our startups and entrepreneurs will have support in their fundings. So I just presented key points. Now let me just summarize once again that focus this year is going to be on member satisfaction and addressing member needs. We will see that what you expect from the Executive Council, and we will work on those expectations. We are going to focus on membership drive. We are going to strengthen the secretariat team. Very soon we are going to appoint a VP operations in Bangalore for IESA to really make our operational strengthen, and all this execution of Odisha government program, Karnataka government program will require a full-time person to execute on all these initiatives. So we are looking for a strong person to take care of operations responsibility. So if you have any good recommendation, please recommend it to PVG Menon, please. We are going to focus on strategic initiatives. 3 SIGs have been identified at this point of time. One is the product SIG, where Vivek Sharma, Vinay Shenoy, and Amit Kharbanda from My Box, they are going to be engaged in this product SIG. We are going to have state engagement SIG, and Vivek Pawar from Sankalp has agreed to lead talent SIG. It is at a very initial stage. If any one of you wants to get associated with these SIGs, please let us know, and we'll be very happy for your contribution. We are going to focus on creating ESDM ecosystem with focus on 25 products and 100 components. We will present a SWOT analysis and with the recommendation, but that report should be available sometime in July from FNS. We will focus on supporting startups and fabless semiconductor companies with incubation center and with VC funding. We are planning 5-city ESDM roadshow with DIT, and we will focus on international collaboration with USA. What support we need from you? If you think any important point we have missed out in this charter, then in next 1 week, please let us know what you think we have missed out. And we will ensure that if it is really an important thing for ESDM growth in India, we will definitely take that point into our charter. So please get back to us in next 1 week if you think anything is missed out in this plan. Any SIG you want to participate, you are most welcome. We need volunteers, we need people who have interest in doing something for IESA as well as something for the ESDM growth in India. Or if you think you want to start something new initiative, completely new SIG, and you want to lead that initiative, please let us know. And if Executive Council thinks that it definitely makes sense to have this SIG, we will support you in leading that SIG and driving that SIG. In membership drive, I have just one request. How many people are there? We are more than 100 people. Can each of you get me one member in next 1 month? If you can get one member each, we will have more than 100 members in next 1 month. So I request all of you, between your friends, between your contacts, just talk about IESA, just talk about what value proposition they will have by becoming member of IESA. And I'll be really thankful for your help. We can easily have 100 members in next 1 month if each of you get me one member. Definitely there has to be active participation from each of you in all the initiatives we are going to drive, 5 City Roadshow, Vision Summit, as well as other activities what I just presented. And any idea, in our last week meeting with Kapil Sibbalji at Delhi in a roundtable discussion on PMA, he really asked all the association members that get back to me with any roadblock you see in the growth of ESDM. Government is more than willing to address all the concerns and issues if you think that that's a bottleneck to really grow ESDM sector in India. So any such point, if you bring to our notice, we will ensure that it reaches to the topmost decision-making authority in our country. So please get back to us if you see any hurdle, any roadblock in ESDM growth. So to summarize, we'll continue to work with embedded design companies in VLSI and embedded software and embedded hardware development. We will work to promote local ESDM ecosystem and implementing all the government policies. We will work to support startups and entrepreneurs by incubation center as well as by supporting them with VCs. And finally, we will create employment opportunities in ESDM sector with all these efforts and activities, what we are planning to do in next 12 months. Thank you, gentlemen.